Hello everybody and welcome to a new video. Today you're going to learn different solutions to a specific error that your messenger is not sending any messages, okay? So perhaps you're trying to send some messages and you're trying with different chats with different people, but you have not success. So I'm going to recommend you different solutions. The first of all is to reboot your cell phone. Probably your app is going to get a new start and the problem is going to be solved. The second solution is to change your Wi-Fi network or obviously deactivate your Wi-Fi and just work with your mobile data. Okay? The third solution is see if your Facebook is activated. I mean, if there is any ban on your Facebook account. Probably if you're in your homepage, there's going to be a message that says your Facebook account has been banned or something like that. So that's it. But if you probably can check your Facebook normally, so your Facebook account is normal. And the last option is go to your settings in your mobile and now look for the apps. Now manage apps, and here when the apps have been loaded you can search for Messenger. Messenger. So here you can decide yourself between three options: force stop, uninstall, and clear data. These are at the bottom of the screen. So I really recommend you to begin with force stop. Then you can activate your Messenger app again and see if now you can send a message. But if the problem is not solved yet, you can clear data, you can clear your cache and clear all data, reboot your cell phone and see if the problem has been solved. If not, obviously the last option is to uninstall your Messenger app and then install it again and see if the problem has been solved. I hope that you have found a solution with this video. If not, probably you must write to support and wait for an answer. So those are my solutions by now. I hope you have found it useful. Thank you.